Today we're creating a giant turtle planter. Mix the concrete until smooth and creamy. Carve shell patterns for a realistic look. Add colorful flowers and rich soil. It brings nature and creativity together. Let's make a magical planter. Mix concrete into a paste, pour it into the stump mold, carve realistic bark details, paint and seal your creation. Now add your favorite plants. Let's create a majestic lion planter. Handcrafted details make it lifelike. A royal garden masterpiece. Let's make a giant mushroom planter. We carve details into the concrete, add vibrant colors to finish the house. It's the perfect addition to any fantasy garden. Today we are making a seashell fountain. Get the perfect, thick, creamy concrete. This builds the fountain and planter. Carve natural ocean textures. An ocean paradise in your garden. Let's make a mermaid shell planter. Mix the concrete until it's smooth. Pour it into the large mold. Carve out beautiful ocean details. Paint with shimmering colors. Add soil and plants. Enjoy your magical creation. Let's make a giant cactus planter. Mix until smooth and pour into the mold. Paint with desert colors to finish your masterpiece. Let's make a royal peacock planter. Mix the concrete until smooth. Pour it into the mold with mesh. Sculpt every fine feather. Reveal the cured piece. Add vibrant colors, complete with lush plants. Let's make a giant elephant planter. Mix until it's perfectly smooth. This creates a deep planting cavity. Carve details to bring it to life. A beautiful garden centerpiece. Let's make a giant butterfly planter. Mix concrete until it's perfectly creamy. Carve unique details into the semi-cured wings. Now add some vibrant plants and flowers. Enjoy your beautiful new garden centerpiece.
Let's make a vintage boot planter. Mix the concrete until smooth. Hand carving adds realistic detail. Layer rich colors and add flowers.
Let's make a giant dragon egg planter. Mix the concrete until it's smooth. Now we reveal the textured shell. Perfect for any fantasy garden. Let's craft an elegant owl planter. A smooth mix creates crisp details. Hand-carved feathers look lifelike, create a stunning contrast. This brings charm to any space. Let's make a giant acorn planter. Now your woodland planter is ready. Let's make a giant pinecone planter. Mix until it's smooth and creamy. I'm hand sculpting every scale for realism. Natural colors give it a woodland look. Perfect for adding charm to your garden.